Hey, good afternoon, Carolyn. So Chuck Velassen, 4 weeks ago, he drove all the way to Marshall, Missouri. It's about an hour and a half from downtown Kansas City. And this morning, he went back there to get his second dose without any hesitation. The process of booking an appointment for a COVID-19 vaccine has been frustrating for many in the Kansas City metro. Colleen commented on a Facebook post. KCMO residents should not have to drive an hour plus to get access to the COVID vaccine. Someone else said they couldn't drive 120 miles to the only available site, but those who can are making the trip.
It didn't bother me to have to drive an hour to get it. It was that important to me.
Days after the FDA approved Pfizer's emergency use authorization, Chuck Velassen signed up on the Jackson County vaccine site. That was December. He hoped it would guarantee his spot when Missouri reached his phase and tier. He didn't hear back, though, so he registered through a hospital in Marshall, Missouri.
Really didn't think anything of it, and a couple weeks later they called me and said, hey, we're having a clinic tomorrow, can you come down?
Chuck works from home full-time and does equine therapy for kids. He doesn't have much spare time, but he wasn't passing up his chance to get vaccinated. He's seen the effects COVID-19 has had on family members' health. Some have passed away. Part of his motivation to get vaccinated as soon as possible was to spend time with his 11 grandchildren.
Obviously, at my age, I don't want to get it and then give it to them.
And we know that Chuck says that he has not removed his name from the Jackson County vaccine list. He says to this day he still hasn't heard from Jackson County, which just goes to show him that he wouldn't have gotten the vaccine to this day if he had just waited and hadn't made the trip to Marshall, Missouri. But for those who can't make the trip, some relief is going to be coming, and soon. And coming up at 6, we'll tell you more about the changes in Missouri's vaccine distribution. Reporting in Kansas City, I'm Carolina Cruz, KCTV 5 News.
Very interesting, Carolina. Thank you for that. Now, the